Hey guys, Fanciful here. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're making an old school project that I've seen done literally hundreds of times on YouTube. It's a wooden photograph. For this project, we're going to need four things: a piece of wood, a picture, some Mod Podge, and an unrealistic amount of time. Let's begin. Start by making sure your wood is the right size for your picture. Put it down, make sure none of it hangs over the edges, because once we start throwing Mod Podge on this, there's no turning back. Second, tape your picture to the bottom of the piece of wood. That way it stays square once we push it down onto the wood. Once we've done that, take and slather a healthy layer of Mod Podge across the entire piece of wood, because, you know, we have enough to spare. Once that's done, take and slap your picture down onto the Mod Podge, pushing out all the air bubble and laying it flat across the entire piece of wood. Let the Mod Podge fully dry, so we're talking like 8 hours here. If you're not patient, don't do this project. Finally, take some water and rub the paper off of the ink that is now adhered to the piece of wood. Don't do it too furiously, because if you do, you might just take some ink off with the paper. And there you have it. Take it, put it in a nice place to display your cleverness for everybody to see. Thanks so much for watching. Check back soon to see another video from the Instructables website. If you haven't already, go down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I release a video. And as always, stay fancy. Oh, you're still with me. Well, click here to see a video that YouTube thinks you want to watch. Click here to subscribe. It would be an unfortunate, however, unavoidable atrocity to have to completely start this project over.